The problem with a lot of demo videos is that you can't see what the person's typing. And that's because we don't screen record our keys. But you can fix this problem with this neat little app called Keystroke Pro. What it does is it shows the keys that you're pressing on screen so that people watching the video, usually a screen recording, can see them too. This is what it looks like. You basically just press the key and then it'll appear on screen. This is perfect for demos and tutorials that involve a lot of keyboard action. So things with keyboard shortcuts or anything where you're going to have to type a lot of text that the viewer should be able to follow along with. So once you've got the app installed, you can open up the settings, and that's where you can have some real fun with it. You've got some general options here, but the fun stuff is in the appearance settings, where you can play around with the way it looks by choosing different styles, its size, transition. I've got it on this warp one, but the boop and jump are pretty cool. And you can change the duration. So do you want them really on screen, or you want them just off, just flickering on? And then you can pick the colors. And what's cool is that you don't just pick one color, but you can pick the colors for all of the sort of 3 different types of keys: the escape, the modifier, and the key color. It's just really fun, delightful little app that will make all your demos a little bit better. And it works perfectly alongside Tella, so you can just record your entire screen, and then all your keys are going to be in there too.